Thanks to your generous support, the beNeFit has raised more than $55 million over the last 10 years for research into NF, and every one of those dollars is making a difference. Researchers across the country are making incredible advances in discovering new treatments for NF patients and in understanding the genetic roots of the disease. But don't just take my word for it. Let me introduce you to my colleagues, just a few of the many outstanding researchers being supported by your generosity.
Hello.
Hi.
About 15 to 20% of NF1 patients develop brain tumors. Most of these brain tumors are located on the optic nerve tract, which connects your eyes to your brain. However, about 1/3 of these tumors occur outside of that optic nerve tract, and it's exactly those tumors that have a higher risk to become malignant. My team is trying to investigate what drives the malignancy in these tumors and how we can treat those patients. We recently learned that these tumors have 2 additional inactivated genes beyond NF1. We're investigating how the loss of NF1 interacts with these 2 genes. If successful, these models would represent 74% of NF1 patients with a brain tumor.
Gene therapy represents one of the biggest opportunities we have to get to the very root of NF1. The NF1 gene makes a protein called neurofibromin, which helps regulate cell growth in suppressed tumors. For NF patients, this gene does not function normally. That's why our lab is focused on restoring neurofibromin quantity and function in NF1 patients. Right now, we're testing the efficacy of viral vector-based gene therapy to treat neurofibromas. The viral vector is like a package that is used to deliver the gene. The only problem is that the NF1 gene is too big for the package. So we're looking at 2 different strategies to address this issue. Strategy 1 is using a mini gene that preserves the known functions of neurofibromin. Strategy 2 is splitting the NF1 gene into 2 parts so it can be assembled after it is delivered to the target cells. Success with either approach would lead to amazing advancements in NF1 gene therapy.
Vision loss is a common challenge for NF1 patients. Right now, we are investigating the cellular, molecular, and the behavioral alterations that occur throughout glioma development. Our research suggests there is a time window for protecting the retina and restoring vision function.
Thanks for the updates. Now let's get back to work. Your support helps ensure that these researchers and many more can keep pushing the limits of medical science. Thank you for taking the time to get to know them. And thank you for your continued commitment to curing NF.
Bye.
Bye.